Hello, and welcome to Nearpod Central, the very place where you will learn all about the creative presentation tool Nearpod. Let's transform teaching together by utilizing this award-winning interactive learning platform that allows you to explore several customizable lessons, offer 100% student participation in a fun, engaging manner, giving immediate student feedback, along with spending less time planning and more time teaching, while giving your students a front row seat. Along with Nearpod's growing popularity, educators in 3 out of 5 US schools are already using Nearpod to create engaging learning experiences for their students. Now, once you go to nearpod.com, you may start exploring for free if you wish, which will take you to several customizable lessons that you may look through, organized by grade levels. Or you can go to sign up for free at the top right to make an account either through your email, social media, or other methods. Once you do make your account, you can click on Login, which directs you to a page that contains 5 important headings. And this is the page that you will always first see when you enter Nearpod. And these headings are My Library, Explore, Join, Create, and Reports. Now, when we first click on My Library, we are provided with the opportunity to download a Nearpod lesson from the lesson library, which is always customizable as well. When we click on Explore at the top, it takes us to several lessons organized by content, subject, VR, publisher, holidays and events. I like to click on the free ones just to make it a little easier right now. And I'll click on the lesson, the Internet of Things, just as an example. When you click on this lesson, you can click Show in My Library, which allows you to download the lesson as well. And this also allows you to customize it as you wish at any time. You may also preview the lesson, which allows you to see what the lesson offers, such as a clear objective here, a great video, which is an instructional resource, opportunity for reflection, open-ended questions, and polls, which allow students to interact in real time, along with close reading. So this is just some of the resources that some of the lessons can offer on the Nearpod library. You may also create a whole new presentation on your own by clicking on Create Your Own Lesson. This also allows you to create it from scratch or drag and drop a previous PowerPoint that you already have. Now, you may also launch and share a live Nearpod lesson with your students. Once you have it in your library, you can click on Live Lesson, which allows you to control the pace of all devices in the classroom connected to your lesson. Now you can also explore the student paced option, which creates a 5-digit code and allows the students to now access the lesson for 30 days by entering this code. Now, get ready. This is one of my favorite features of this application. You can also add a variety of multimedia activities to your lesson. When you click on Create Your Own Slides, and then click on Add Slide for example, and then click on Add Content, there's a variety of options such as the opportunity to incorporate 3D visuals organized by categories such as amazing places and things, ancient times, environment, human body, and microscopic in order to make your presentation more engaging. Or you can offer simulations organized by math elementary, middle math, and high school math, along with elementary science, middle, and high school science. You may also, this is my favorite part, the field trips. Virtual field trips are offered through this application, which allows students to just take a step out of the classroom for a moment and feel like they are somewhere else, which is just a great method to create engagement. You may, for example, view the Taj Mahal sunset at nighttime, Santorini, Greece, the Great Wall of China, and the list just goes on. Now, you may also add web content by inserting a website which plugs web information into your presentation, as well as adding activities that assess students formatively, such as open-ended questions, matching pairs, quizzes, Draw It, which is an interactive whiteboard that allows students to collaborate in real time, collaborate, poll, fill in the blanks, and a memory test. You will also be amazed to learn that if you click on Reports at the top, you can analyze class work and student progress with Nearpod reports. They capture data and track comprehension and completion in students. Since we don't have any executed lessons currently, there isn't any data right now, but it will all be done for you once you start doing that. Lastly, Nearpod also offers an opportunity for professional development when you click on Learn through a variety of live webinars, on-demand resources, and instructional videos. For example, you can attend a live webinar. Let's click on the Intense Integrated Intervention one on February 28th, which takes us to a form that allows us to register. We can also access on-demand resources, from basic ones such as getting started with Nearpod to VR in the classroom, along with instructional videos as well. Now that I have given you a little bit of familiarity on Nearpod, which is a great tool to interactively engage and give your students a voice daily, dive into it yourself, play with it, and explore how to best fit it into your own instruction. Thank you.